Hello viewers, we will discuss about a new project which name is Decathlon. Decathlon is a very good project. Decathlon project will be successful. Its transparency and safety is exactly what we need to strengthen in the crypto world. The project is already showing positive dynamics. It is growing day by day, great and hardworking team ensuring that this project will be one of the best crypto project. Do not miss the opportunity to become part of a promising project. Detailed white paper and roadmap shows the full potential of the project. First of all, we discuss the objectives and products, and after how to buy a token and how to buy other detail in this project and token details, how to pre-sell, which date the pre-sell token, and which procedure a buyer token and roadmap, and the roadmap shows the full potential of the project. I am sure this project will be one of the best project of this year. And Decathlon, the three components that need to be in place for a successful business. It is a growth-oriented, scalable, and profitable business novel. The people behind also this company is on track to increase the subscription revenue by more than 80%. The factor is also one of the reasons why it will succeed in long run. Contact us. We will discuss the contact us. We will contact this team and to talk about this project. Pre-sale page, we will click the pre-sale page to open a pre-sale page, and we will buy a token there, an entry on that page. Decathlon application. Decathlon objectives. Decathlon using a latest technology. Decathlon is one of the latest technology on the crypto world. Decathlon launched his app which to open in all Android apps, Android phones, and all Android things. So the Decathlon is a very good project. The project is already showing positive dynamics, and the platform is the most dependable and inventive, containing total independent from the rest of the financial breakers. And the other Decathlon roadmap. Decathlon roadmap is that the platform is the more dependable and inventive, containing total independence from the rat race of the financial backers. This undertaking has colossal potential, which going to develop the organization of different level because of the novel business procedures. And the other thing is that mobile banking Decathlon applications. This is a Decathlon application. 24-hour change is turnkey and convert, buy, sell, convert, send, receive. My cards. This is an application of a Decathlon, and check the my card menu, euro, and all opportunity available in there. And how to buy, how to set up Decathlon on MetaMask, how to set up Decathlon on Trust Wallet. We will buy the Decathlon token on the Trust Wallet and MetaMask easily. So sell detail. Token taker on a DTM token platform Binance Smart Chain, and the private sale 15/6/2021, 15/6/2021, bonus 5%, and other token allocation team 10%, reward 10%, development of 20%, and sell 50%, marketing 10%, and the transaction fees 3%, and other. Those are buys. This is the roadmap of Decathlon roadmap is that we will be moving forward with the development payment application for the platform. Do not miss the opportunity for this platform, because the platform is the most dependable and inventive, containing the independence of the rates of financial backers. So we will use this opportunity. The executive team, this team is very good team, and first of all we will discuss Alain Giorgio Luca. He is a very big bone of this project, and that point we will discuss. The hero of that project is Alain Giorgio Luca. And the other, this icon is social media icons. We will click there and so join their pages and groups. So don't miss the opportunity to become a part of promising project. Detailed white paper and roadmap shows the full potential of the project will be successful in transparency and safely to execute what we need to strengthen in the crypto world. I confident that the team will succeed with such a serious approach to work. Good luck with that been planned. Teamwork will bring the project grow big and success. After understanding the whole concept of the Digitol is that is going to very beneficial opportunities token holder to get a huge profit by the amazing project. So we all to request that join this project fastly. Thank you.